The Nest Doorbell boasts an elegant design reminiscent of a futuristic guardian for your home. When the doorbell is pressed or motion is detected, it captures clear footage, identifies packages, animals, and even recognizes faces. However, for extended video storage or facial recognition capabilities, a Nest-aware subscription is required. While Google may not have the same long-standing reputation as Ring and Arlo in the smart security market, having only entered the scene in 2017, its cutting-edge technology, including facial recognition and integration with its voice assistant, positions it as a formidable competitor. Friends, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to support me and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on upcoming videos. Enjoy watching. Initially launching the Nest Hello in 2018 as its first video doorbell, Google now offers a battery-powered alternative, which is not only more affordable but also adds versatility to its lineup. With its sleek and minimalistic design, the Nest Doorbell stands out as the most aesthetically pleasing option for home security. Housing a robust 6,000 mAh battery, it offers up to 6 months of usage per charge. Though its camera's aspect ratio narrows the field of view compared to the Nest Hello, it compensates by providing clearer images of full bodies and packages on the ground. The Google Nest Doorbell battery sends alerts to your smartphone when activated, allowing you to view live footage via the Google Home app. It distinguishes between people and animals, and can even notify you of package deliveries or pickups. HDR technology ensures clear visibility, even in challenging lighting conditions, and a 6x zoom feature enables closer examination of footage. Friends, if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on upcoming videos. Enjoy watching. While video clips are stored for up to 3 hours, subscribing to Nest Aware extends storage to 60 days, also unlocking features like familiar face recognition. In the event of Wi-Fi loss or power outage, the doorbell can store up to 60 minutes of video locally, which will later sync with the cloud once connectivity is restored. For those already invested in Nest ecosystem, the Nest Doorbell seamlessly integrates with Nest speakers and screens. However, Alexa users may find better compatibility with alternatives like the Ring Video Doorbell 4, available at a similar price point. Performance: crisp Full HD video with a 3:4 aspect ratio, complementary detection of packages, individuals, and animals, with optional paid familiar face feature, notifications available via phone app, Nest speaker, or wired chime exclusively. The Google Nest Doorbell battery delivers clear footage both day and night, despite being the lowest resolution doorbell we've tested thus far. Nevertheless, we believe that Full HD should be the minimum standard. Its unique 3:4 aspect ratio presents portrait footage, deviating from the landscape format typical of other video doorbells. While this sacrifices some peripheral vision, we appreciate the ratio for providing a full-body view of individuals, as well as visibility of items like ground-level packages or pets pawing at the door. Traditional landscape cameras often miss crucial lower-level details, giving the Nest Doorbell battery an advantage. Effectively recognizing people, animals, and vehicles within its range, the Google Nest Doorbell battery can be paired with a Nest Aware subscription for facial recognition capabilities. With this, users can label faces of acquaintances and family members, distinguishing between recognized and unknown individuals in alerts. The Google Home app facilitates intuitive navigation and supports motion zones. Although facial recognition requires a subscription, the app, distinct from Nest's, boasts a streamlined interface and a wealth of features. Subscribing is free, so go ahead and subscribe now. Of particular note is the ability to define motion zones, specifying areas of interest to minimize unnecessary alerts. This feature is invaluable for tailoring notifications to specific areas, such as prioritizing the front garden while disregarding passing vehicles or neighboring properties. Moreover, users can fine-tune notification preferences, opting to receive alerts for approaching individuals and delivered packages while ignoring vehicle or animal movement. This inclusive feature distinguishes the Nest Doorbell battery from the Ring doorbell range, available without the need for a subscription. Battery life and recharging. Offers up to 6 months of battery life. Requires approximately 5 hours for a full recharge. Non-swappable battery design. As anticipated, the battery duration of the Nest Doorbell battery will vary depending on usage, including doorbell activations, motion events, and live feed access frequency through the app. Google states the battery can sustain 6 months of usage before necessitating a recharge. However, this projection is based on a modest activity rate of 2 to 4 recorded events daily. It decreases to 2.5 months with 13 to 16 events per day, and 1 month with 25 to 30 events daily. Pros. Exceptional video quality. The Google Nest Doorbell delivers outstanding video performance, featuring HDR, a 3 to 4 aspect ratio, up to 6-fold digital zoom, and a resolution of 960 by 1280. Seamless integration with smart platforms, compatible with Google Assistant and Alexa. The Nest Doorbell also harmonizes well with other Nest devices and cameras. Advanced artificial intelligence distinguishes between individuals and various moving objects such as pets and vehicles, minimizing false alarms. With Nest Aware, users can even assign names to recognized faces, enhancing notification accuracy. Cons. Relatively high price. Priced at $179.99, the latest Nest Doorbell model offers a more affordable option compared to the Nest Hello. However, it remains relatively costly in the market. Dependence on Nest Aware for full functionality, access to essential features, including event history and facial recognition, requires a subscription. Nevertheless, the doorbell includes built-in person detection. Lack of local storage. Accessing recorded footage necessitates a Nest Aware subscription, as the doorbell lacks support for SD cards or USB flash drives. Friends, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for new videos, and we would be very happy if you could leave a nice comment.